notification. Maybe is it possible for you just check it? Okay, not a track. This notification would have come to you. So we are discussing about the data objects here. This called terminology data objects. So data objects means it will store the data in the runtime. There are three types. One is variable. So other one is work area. Other one is internal table. Internal table. For all these things, right, you need to know the concept of data types. These are data types. So these data types, so in these data types, you are building the work area, internal tables, and variables here. Okay. So data types, what is data types we have discussed in the last class, if you remember? Integer, date, right? Time, numeric, character, right?
Yeah.
Packed, pivot packed. Right? These are the main data types that we use. String also is there. String also sometimes we will use it. String also a character data type only, similar to character data type only. You can store any length. It will take based on the data what you are going to update or pass it. And system variables also, I think I explained, right? System variables. System variables are SY hyphen, uname, right? SY hyphen, UZDAT, time, day to time, username, current time, SY subversive value. These are the different system variables. We'll see this one practically. SY hyphen tab X, SY hyphen index. Think of what could be system variables meaning. What could be the meaning of system variables? The variables that defined by SAP. SAP defined variables in the runtime, it will be having the values. So system is coming blur, I think, right? Exit here.
It's very blur. Yeah, correct.
Blur, right? Maybe SAP system. Hello.
Morning, everyone.
Just
Sir.
So what I do is we'll go to user defined data types. User defined data types. Click on create. User defined data types. Type executable. Now, user defined data types is you can define your own data types. Let's say user defined types. And then you can use that for declaring data objects to declare a variable, to declare a work area, to declare internal tables. Okay. So let's do it. So I can give the types is the keyword. Types is a keyword which you define with the user defined types. Types ty underscore name. Okay. Types begin of ty underscore name. And I can give here otherwise type underscore ty underscore name. Say 20 characters type C. Okay. This is one user-defined data types. Now you can use this data type to declare your own variable data. V underscore first name. Type ty underscore name here. V underscore last name. Type ty underscore name. So think of V underscore first name and last name. What is the data type and size? What will be the data type and size? V underscore if name and last name. First name and last name. What could be the data type? Hello.
Character, sir.
What is the character? What is the size?
Is there any problem? Are you there?
Yeah. HR. I'm not sure there's some problem with there, I believe, right?
Okay.
Yeah, connection was not there. Means suddenly the net was disconnected.
Vishnu, just check it once. Live is happening or not? Because just no system is disconnected for me.
Yeah, I will check it, sir. 1 minute.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's coming, sir.
Okay. Okay, so what is the V underscore F name? V underscore last name? It's variables, right? V underscore last name equal to Kumar. Right? If you want to print, you can print this one here. WRIT. Right? V underscore first name and 30 position V underscore last name. So what is the advantage of going for types? Think anyone, tell me anyone. What is the advantage of going for the types concept? What could be the reason mistake here? Think and tell me. Think and tell me. First two questions. So why this ty underscore name I declared? What could be the advantage here? See the code here. See the code here. Think and tell me what is the purpose of this ty underscore name. If you observe closely line number 8, 10, 11, you will get to know concept.
Until 20.
Is character taking 20 characters, sir.
Basically reusability. This is the reusability. If you see here, my flow here. This is the flow I written. Here. So reusability. You can use for multiple variables to declare here now. What I did is here, I declared ty underscore name. And this I am going to use in multiple variable here. Var1, variable 1. Var2, variable 2. Variable 3.
Like you given like a first name and last name like that, sir.
So first name, last name I give, right? And middle name also I can use to declare the middle name also. So reusability. Variable 1, variable 2. No, all three are referring to same data type. Suppose you want to increase that one point of time, you can increase the size here. It will affect automatically here as well. Here as well. There is a concept here. Why line number 14 mistake? Why this error I am getting? Line number 14. See that error, syntax error.
Data type ty underscore name should be, I think.
No, mistake. See the error, what it's saying? 14, line number 14 error.
Program. Comma without proceeding columns.
Means comma I give extra here. Right? What is this 30 here? I give line number 17, 30, right? What is the 30?
Size, length.
No. What is the line number? What is the 30 I give in line number 17?
Middle name, sir, or file name, first name.
Anyone? What is 30? Line number 17, 30. What is the meaning of 30?
Sir,
No, I'm asking what is 30? Line number 17. Why I have written this one? If you print this one, what will happen?
between first name and last name spaces.
Perfect. Very good. Not between first name and last name. From first name to, from left
Two
side 30
last name
characters meaning.
spaces.
First from left side. Why this syntax error? We understand array name here. Right? This is syntax mistake. Spelling mistake. If I execute, check syntax activate. Execute now. Right? This 30 means from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like that, you'll count 30 characters. 30 characters space will come from left side. If I give 40, what will happen if I give 40? 40 characters will come from left to right. Space. Okay, clear? This one is clear. What is your type name? Your own data type. Ty underscore name is your own data type. That is what called as a user different data type. Ty underscore name. So tell me now here, can I make ty underscore name equal to? Can I give like this or not? Line number 17 is correct or not? Think and tell me. Twenty is 20. What we call 20? Sorry, 17 is true or false? Okay. So this one you also can practice parallelly. You copy paste this one. Copy parallel to your work on the system. Let's see. Okay. And I
So
will
if
write one more small code.
check the output, where we have to click it there after
This one.
adding the program.
This one. This.
Okay. So
First check the error.
activate it.
Then you will get. Once you resolve the error, then only activate the execute
Okay,
this.
that output will come. Okay.
Okay. Let's try this one. And one more I'll give you quickly. One more thing. User defined data types. Types begin of AY underscore person details. No? Okay. First name type AY underscore name. Last name type AY underscore name. City type C. Gender. Gender, what could be the data type? Tell me, think and tell me what could be the data type and size for gender. Gender. What could be the
Character,
data type
sir.
and size?
Character.
Type C, right? One character. End of TY underscore person details. Now, what is this one you call as a structure type? So, you have more than one field. Now, you can declare one work area here. Work area underscore. Okay. Person details. Type TY underscore person details. Okay. So, if you want to assign this, you can assign the value here. Write statement. Not write statement. Assign the value. Right? Work area underscore person details hyphen first name equal to Rajesh. Okay, like this I can assign. So I'll give this code quickly. I'll give 5 minutes. You try yourself. Assign like this for different remaining values also. Area name, city, gender you assign. And print also. How to print? I'll show you one. WRITE slash with new line character. Work area underscore person details hyphen first name. This will print first field value. Okay, try this one quickly. I will give you this code. Like this, how I assign here, right? Assign for the different other field values also. First name, you know. Last name, you can give any name. Rajesh, Kumar, city, Bangalore, Hyderabad. The gender gives some value and print here. I show you how to print one. You print remaining things. Do it in 5 minutes. I'll go this code. Try. I'll give 5 minutes. I'll wait. You can copy paste and try to read it. That's all. So actually, this is the basic building blocks of ABAP, whatever the topics we are doing today. So what we are doing is variable work area internal table. Without this, no ABAP. These concepts are very, very important to the entire ABAP. Backend, everything data stores in the runtime in these variables only, in these data objects only. Right? So why that 44 line is coming error? Why this 44 is coming error?
Spelling mistakes.
V underscore F name. Let go to 44 here. Right? V underscore F name is equal to possible cause of error due to include correct spelling or comma errors. So if you go to here, let me take up this space. It's coming slow system. I think. This is the error, right? So wish to check it. The system is working for you. Fine. I'm seeing very slow response now.
V
And
underscore
this you
first
cannot
name
do.
should.
So in line number 31, it is error.
Line number 31. What that error? What is that error? Tell me, think or tell me. What is the error in line number 27 is mistake? Think, see that error. Read that error. Think and tell me. Think line number 25 and 27. Check it, observe.
Or end of line number 25, comma is comma required.
Correct. You are right. Not required. It should be dot. What job is that is correct, right? Because you cannot
Yes.
give the comma there. Because right statement comma means you should continue one more statement of right only.
Ending.
Right? Now this why 30 is line number is coming error. Why that error is coming? Ty underscore name.
The length is exist.
No. See here, you can see my code. Ty underscore name is data type. Ty underscore name. But what I am assigning, the value I am assigning. Can you assign the value to the data type?
No.
Data can be assigned only to the data objects. That means variable, work area, internal table, those things only. That's the reason you are
Should be
getting this
V
error.
underscore name.
So you cannot assign here. So I will write here. You cannot assign data to the data types. Right? Because ty underscore is data types. Right now here, I have created one structure type here. I'm seeing slow response system server. Okay. Now how to assign the second field value here? Line number 23. Work area underscore person details. Hyphen. Right? Class name equal to Kumar, for example. Why single quotes I am giving? Why I am giving single quotes? What will happen if I don't use single quotes? Why I am giving single quotes?
Work area.
Assigning values to the work area fields here in this step, by number 25. So because is the value you are mentioning between single quotes, this character data type, right? So that is the reason. Now if you print, now in work area underscore person details will be having one person information here now. There is meaning actually, one person information means one record. Group of how many fields? 1, 2, 3, 4 fields. While you are printing, you can print like this, person name. And say suppose 20 characters. Work area underscore person details hyphen last name. Okay. Next 30 position. Work area underscore person details hyphen city. Okay. And maybe 40 position or 50 position. Work area underscore person details hyphen gender. Check syntax. Right, last. What is this mistake? What is it saying? See that syntax, then you will find the solution.
Spelling mistake, sir.
LENEM ಇದೆ.
Spelling mistakes.
L-N. Right now you don't have syntax errors. Let activate here now. Check syntax, activate, and execute now. So this is the data output here. So in the debug mode, I will explain. Put a breakpoint here. Stop.
How do we know that way to put the breakpoint, sir?
Actually, from where you want to do analysis, that place you can start a breakpoint. Line number 19, 20, 21, you cannot put a breakpoint because those are the declaration statements we call declaration, not executable statements.
So you want
After
to say,
20,
okay, yeah, go ahead.
Only we put
after
the work
21,
area only, sir. Work
ah,
area level only we need to put the breakup point.
no, actually breakpoint
And
is
execute.
specific to line number code. You can put anywhere, but not this one because line number 19, 20, 21. No, this is not any analysis, right? This is only declaration you are doing. In programming languages, two things will come. One is data declaration statements, other one is executable statements. So breakpoint, we can keep it only in the executable statements. So line number 19, 20, 21, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is a called as a declaration statements. Declarations means you are declaring what you need. Understood? Hello? There's no need, no any information, no nothing is required from 10 to 21 to understood, right? This is only you are defining what you need in the program. That is what definition. Definition, nothing but definition or declaration. All this is called the same terminology. The actual code will execute from line number 23. Okay. Now where is my control? Line number 23. You can type here to see the information. Work area underscore person details here. You press enter here. You see the structure is showing as double click here. You see the value is empty here. Okay. Go to desktop 3. You don't need to think about all these things. So this is at this point of time, nothing is required here. Now, if you want to execute line number 23, what you should do? You click this button. So line number 23 is executed. Do you see where is my arrow now currently? Currently, the control is where is the control line number?
Work area last name.
25.
Line number. Which is the line number showing?
25.
You can see the
25.
line number of you. 25. So now control is at line number 25. If 25 executes, so what will happen? It will assign the value Kumar to the work area field. See here, the work area. Rajesh here. It will come here Kumar also. See here. Do you see Kumar also came here?
Yes.
Kumar also here. Kumar. If you double click here, you can see that Rajesh and Kumar. First name Rajesh came, last name Kumar has come here. Okay. And then assign the value. City also
City
will
will
come to
come.
here. Where? To work area. Work area field. Say city came as Bangalore here. Where is my control now? Which line
No,
number?
1.
27.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So if I execute 27, no, what will happen?
The 27 gender will appear there.
So gender value will come to your work area field. This left side, what you see is work area field. This is work area. Nothing but a structure to store one record. This is called a field of the work area. So to work area field, you are assigning gender equal to M here. Right now M will come here. Execute this one. To execute, you should click this button. Right. Now you see Rajesh, Kumar, Bangalore, and M here. Right. You double click here, it will show you Rajesh, Kumar, Bangalore, M. One record. How many records are there here in this screen? What you see currently?
4.
4 records or 1 record?
Record is 1, line item 4.
Record is 1, fields are 4. That way you should do the terminology. Fields, we call it fields.
Okay.
Fields are 4. This is where you see the entire ABAP work area means. Desktop 3.
Sir, what is desktop 1, 2, and 3, sir?
This is just flow of the information in the runtime, the different variables and all here. So this will fill in the runtime for different steps. You don't need to think about that. What is that exactly? But what we need to think here is to show all the structures information and all the runtime objects information. You need to understand how the data, what is the data is available currently in the variables or work area fields. Suppose if you have the internal tables and all, you can see the internal tables information also here in this section. Now it's here. If you go to structures case here, what you say seeing here? Structure information here, right? Work area underscore person details is the structure. This you can see also directly double clicking here as well. Here you can give all the variables, so right? Work area, so internal tables data you can see here. Give here double click here. You can also modify in the runtime also. So now this will print in the output now. How to execute this line? But you are assigning the different values now here. Printing output here now.
So screen is too big means not able to see the program actually. Can you
Big or
reduce the
small?
size? It's too means program is not visible. Only
Now
first
current
name.
screen, huh?
Yeah, current screen. And in debugging mode, program is going one side, totally left side. That's what I mean to say.
In the debug, we cannot change that resolution, I think. You mean to say here, huh?
And that's what.
Here, huh?
Yeah, that's what.
I am in debug
That's
mode.
yeah.
You mean to say this screen you want to little bit small, make it small?
Yeah, it's possible. Just I'm asking, sir.
The screen to make it small, I don't think so.
It's okay. No problem, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, in middle of the screen in debugging and this both programming side, middle of the screen, can we
Hmm.
change it? I will let. It's okay. No problem.
We can see this one. Later you can explore.
Yeah, that's what.
Mhm. For example, here what this standard showing currently here is this how the data has been control has been executed internally. That information will show to here to you in this area. Okay, next. Suppose if I assign one more record. Think of what could be the error. Line number 30. Think and tell me what could be the error. What that why that error is coming.
Missing one apostrophe at the end, beginning, line number 30. In line number 30, there should be some
So you have to remove this
one
side. This is required, not
apostrophe.
required. Now tell me why this error is coming. Line number 30.
Character type should be included in apostrophe.
So we should put it in the single quotes.
Single quotes apostrophe.
Otherwise, CN is considering as a variable. So you can't insert the data. Because that variable you have not declared, right? Here. No check syntax here. Now tell me here, work area underscore person details, when I print line number 35, so it will print Rajesh information or senior information. Think and tell me. Line number 35.
Any information.
So if I execute this one, what will be the output? So what will be the output?
Rajesh, Srini, Hyderabad, M.
Senior, right? Rajesh will not print, right?
Rajesh,
Why? Because
then Srini,
it will overwrite. Srini, Hyderabad, and M it will print.
Srini is in
So
L
this how
name.
many records are there
L
now?
name. Srini is in L
Correct.
name. Last name.
Oh, so first name I have not given, only last name I have given here. Huh?
No, sir, you have changed only
Okay,
that.
now what will be the output it will print?
First name Rajesh, last name Srini, city Hyderabad, under M.
Rajesh, Srini, Hyderabad, M, right? I will execute. Right? Rajesh, Kumar, Srini, Hyderabad, M. Right? Think and tell me why it is printing in that way. First of all, question is work area underscore person details. So how many records we are having? So I put the comment this code.
I think
How many
based.
records are there now? Only one. Only one record. Always text is single.
Hmm.
So I'll show you the debug. I'll put a breakpoint here. Stop here. Activate. It put a breakpoint here. Execute. Right? Right? You are printing last name, city. Okay, now observe carefully. Oh, if I go to here, person details. Huh?
The screen is very slow, sir. Very slow.
Slow, right? Slightly maybe
No.
net it streams. See now what is happening here is it will overwrite the previous record because structure will hold single record only. Now currently work area underscore person details is Bangalore. Okay, I just double click here. So now what will happen to Bangalore? Control is line number 31. Once 31 is executed, what is going to happen? Think and tell me here. Control is at line number 31. Once line number 31 is executed, what will happen to work area underscore person details? City value will override with Hyderabad or not?
It will override, sir, for the right condition.
Yeah. Because so your always structure means single record only it will hold. It will not hold more than one record. Now gender is become going to M only. No change. Because you are making M only here. Now one record. So if you print this one, what is going to print? Tell me, think and tell me what is going to print. First name. First name is going to print Rajesh or what? Tell me, think and tell me. There's a lot of thinking here. Now if I print this one, tell me first name is going to print what is the value it is going to print. Simple.
It is going to print. Rajesh and Srinu both will print, sir.
Sure.
Yeah.
Rajesh will print. Srini will print. Why Rajesh will print? Rajesh, Srini, and what else will print? Bangalore or Hyderabad?
Hyderabad will print.
Hyderabad, correct. Because you are overrating here, line number 31 already. You can see that in the runtime, you can see here. Here. Double click here. Rajesh.
So, did you
Crossing.
add any override logic, sir, in the programming to
Actually,
override?
this concept is itself, the concept itself, work area means only single record at any given point of time. So in this line number 30, when you are making last name equal to Sri, Kumar will be gone automatically.
Okay, okay.
And line number 31, when you make it city equal to Hyderabad, existing value will be Bangalore. Bangalore will be gone.
So you mean to say it is going to take the work
Then you
area,
got
going to take the latest one. So again, if you add same thing,
correct,
suppose work
correct,
area last
correct,
name is
correct,
Raghavendra
correct, correct,
and city is
correct, correct,
AP. So it will get
correct,
override to Srini and Kumar.
correct,
Okay, okay.
correct, correct, correct. Always it will override the existing values because work area means single record. This is work area. So I'll define the internal table also so that we will complete this internal table also basic concept today now only. Let me declare internal table. No, you don't confuse in the same program and do it. Go to here. Now I declare one internal table. How to declare that internal table is go to here. Same syntax. IT underscore personal details type table of okay ty underscore personal details. This become internal table now. This is internal table. Will hold more than one record. Okay. Now, what you can do here is you can append, means you can add the record now. So maybe what I can do is work area underscore personal details. Right. First name is equal to BCOS. Now I can add the record here. Go to here, append work area underscore personal details to IT underscore personal details. What is IT underscore personal details? It is the internal table. Okay. Now if I give one more here, one more append here, append work area underscore personal details to IT underscore personal details here. Save it here. Check syntax. No error. What is mistake here? One extra.
No, first name is not.
Now this become two records in our internal table. I'll show in the debug mode. Then I will explain how to print it. Stop here. Right, execute. I'll put a breakpoint here. Execute here. I'm in debug mode now. Okay. If I go to IT underscore department, do you see what right side 04122? Think what could be the meaning of that? 0 means 0 records. 4 means 4 columns. 125 is the memory allocation by system. 0 means 0 records. You can double click here. You see it is empty now. Empty. Internal table looks like this in the debug mode. Go back to the code. Now append means one record will add. Do you see now one has come here, right side? Double click here. One record came here. Next, second record you are assigning. Append means add one record from work area to internal table. So whatever the record you now will be available to internal table IT underscore personal details. Execute here. Do you see now our IT underscore P details? You have two records now. If you want to print this concept, print this data, so you should use the loop statement. Loop loop at IT underscore personal details to work area underscore personal details. This is the syntax. Okay, end loop. Red statement. Work area underscore personal details icon. First name. Okay. Now I can copy paste the same thing what I written here, right? Number 20. Now how many times my loop will execute? Loop means multiple times it will execute. Now think and tell me how many times the loop will execute. How many records are there in my internal table now? Click on edit here. Why this error is coming? 40. Loop at IT underscore person details to work area underscore person details. Right.
So it should be IT. We are getting
Into. No, into is given.
internal table.
Into.
Okay.
Right now this will loop. How many times will loop? 2 times. Why 2 times? Because 2 records are there. I'll show you in debug mode. Right? This is internal table. IT underscore personal details. 2 records are there here. 2 times will loop will execute here. First time loop execute. Right? Control is line number 41. Execute. Right? Now again going to second iteration. This will execute. Second record will come to work area. You are printing the second record. That's all. 2 times only will execute because 2 records are there here. Okay, so I'll stop here.